welcome back. So I'm here with my mom again to bring you some fun new recipes to prepare for the holiday season. Holiday gatherings are going to be looking a little bit different this year, so over the course of the next 4 weeks, we will be bringing you new recipes to help you get prepped for the season.
And since we're planning for a smaller number of guests, we will be making mini pies for dessert.
We can't wait to share this new recipe with you, so let's get started.
So today we'll be making sweet potato, pecan, apple, blueberry, and cherry mini pies. First, you will need to preheat your oven, and the baking temperatures are going to vary based on the kind of pie that you're making. So first, divide the pie crust and press it into the mini pans. Or you could use pre-made mini pie shells. For my sweet potato pies, I used canned sweet potatoes, then added the flour, sugar, brown sugar, eggs, melted butter, vanilla extract, ground cinnamon, nutmeg, baking powder, and salt. Mix thoroughly. Pour your mixture into the pie shells and bake for an hour or until the center is firm. In a mixing bowl, mix together corn syrup, brown sugar, melted butter, eggs, and vanilla extract until it's fully combined. Then mix in the chopped pecans. Evenly distribute the filling and bake for 25 minutes or until the filling is set. Pour apple pie filling into the crust and then mix butter, flour, brown sugar, salt, and cinnamon in a medium bowl and mix it until it creates a crumble. Then pour that crumble evenly over the pie filling. So bake for up to 50 minutes. For these two pies, you just pour the filling into the crust and then top with another layer of pie crust. Bake for 45 minutes or until golden brown. All of these pies can be refrigerated or frozen so that you can enjoy them later.
Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next week with another video.